subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme is reportedly working on its upcoming smartphone called Realme X3. Recently, a new Realme device was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is believed to be Realme X3 smartphone. The listing reveals the design of the upcoming phone along with some key specifications. According to the listing, the Realme X3 will support a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus display with a dual hole punch design that will house 16 plus 2 megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone is seen to feature a vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad-ray cameras will include one 48 megapixel main camera accompanied by 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by an unnamed octa-core processor clocked at 2.4 GHz. The device will pack with 6, 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 64, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 out of the box, which will be likely based on Realme UI skin on the top. The battery capacity of the phone will be 4100 mAh and it is expected to support 30 watts fast charging. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 163.8 by 75.8 by 8.9 mm and it will weight around 192 grams. Additionally, the phone is spotted to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication and it will support dual-band 5G network. Apart from this, there is no other details of Realme X3 has leaked so far and it is expected to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Realme X3 smartphone and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.